Communities across our area are gearing up for this weekend's snowy conditions. WREG's Harrison Klopp traveled north to Tipton County today to speak with Sheriff Shannon Beasley and people in the community who gave their thoughts on what's to come.
An historic winter storm is upon us, and for the good people of Tipton County, they're ready, but also excited.
Just get out, have a good time, enjoy the snow, the ice, and hopefully we don't have a whole lot of ice. But enjoy yourself, get the kids out, break the sleds out, and have fun.
The message is clear from Tipton County Sheriff Shannon Beasley: stay safe and have fun. And while our chief meteorologist Tyler Eliason expects a few inches of snow and some sleet this weekend in Tipton County, people are gearing up days in advance. Retailers like Haddad's, the legendary Munford department store, has seen certain products flying off the shelves.
We had 2,000 sleds yesterday and today. We sold out, and I found 500 more in Missouri. And we just got them. They just came in just a few minutes ago. They'll be on the shelves tonight to 6, and we'll have them tomorrow till they're gone, and they will be gone tomorrow, I'm almost sure.
Outside of Haddad's, we met 12-year-old Munford resident River Kitchens, who tells me he's got a sled, but the sight of snow leads him back to a time-old tradition.
Me and my friend, every single time, the first snow comes in, me and him go in the hot tub and we freeze our hair.
But this weekend shouldn't be all smooth sailing for River, as we met his cousin, 7-year-old Aislinn, who tells me this weekend presents her chance at revenge.
And then I'm gonna go and dump a bucket of snow on River, because he deserves it. Because he keeps calling me a 3-year-old and a baby, and I'm not a baby.
From Tipton County, Harrison Klopp, News Leader, WREG News Channel 3.